As Julia Child always said, don't fear failure. This clip is about converting a sourdough flop into a surprise. P.S. I have made pretty sourdough bagels before. I promise. Stay to the end to see. Okay, I am recording. So, Julia Child always said, don't fear failure. This clip is about what not to. If I can tilt it. No, other button. There we go. That was meant to be bagels. So, pay attention when measuring your ingredients. So, you want to boil bagels. Flagels. Flagels are the new fashion, I tell you. Oh my God, come and pick them up. Here we have a successful free-form bagel. Is the free-form bagel, which will be baked now.